Hi, these are the NRL 3x3 cube puzzles that I made out of Shengshou 3x3 cubes. This is the St. George one. It's 3 sides red, 3 sides white. I went to the most trouble with the stickering on this one, being a Dragon supporter. So it's my favourite and turns pretty cool. Yeah, so that's the Dragons one. And the Parramatta Eels one. They're killing it this year. 3 sides blue, 3 sides yellow. And the Canberra Raiders, 3 sides green, 3 sides yellow. Sticker top. That's that one. The Bulldogs and Souths one are a bit tatty. They were the first ones I did, and they're not as good as you can see the Raiders ones. But yeah, 3 sides blue, 3 sides white for the Bulldogs one. The Roosters one's a bit different. It's a tricolour one, so 2 sides white, 2 sides red, 2 sides blue, so it's a different solve. And yeah, that's it. That's the Roosters one. The Tigers one I just made all orange, so once you've done the picture part of it, the cube's solved. Cowboys one's a different story. It has 3 different coloured layers, so it's a bit tricky. I've had to speed this bit of the video up. It took me forever to do the solve, but here's a scramble and solve example. Yeah, I had trouble solving it through the camera lens. That's my excuse. It took forever. So here it is, almost done. Ta-da! Done. That's the Cowboys one. And yeah, NRL cubes. I think these 3 are my favourites. They turned out the best anyway. Yeah. Alright, so here's how I make them. With the Shengshou Gem cube, I think I paid about $4 for each cube. And that's how you take a center cap off. But fortunately with these cubes, you can do it for all the pieces, which is how I make them. You just need lots of them. Okay, so to make 3 different 2-colour team cubes, you need 6 cubes. And you just put them out like this. They come with instructions and they're wrapped. So just take the wrapping off. And then, yeah, pull all the pieces out, put them in little piles. And yeah, so once you've got all your colours off, you just put them all back on in the formation that you want. This is me making the Roosters one. It's a little bit fiddly, but it doesn't take too long. Alright, now the sticker bit's another story again. I've done it a few different ways. I've bought stickers, I've printed out stickers in a couple of different ways. Tricky bit is cutting the shape of the corner pieces because they have that little nick in them. Same with the edges, that has 2 little nicks in them to fit properly. But yeah, so I rule them out, cut them up, and then just stick them all on. Probably shouldn't have used the Bulldogs one as an example because the actual finished pitch is sort of hard to tell because of the way I cut this one, where it's missing bits in between the cuts. Still looks pretty cool though. Send a smile over to you. And that's, yeah, the Bulldogs one nearly done. Done. And yeah, that's how I make them. Change the colour of the cube pieces, then put stickers on. And so that's it, my NRL cubes. Thanks for watching. Subscribe if you want. Thanks, see ya.